If you need to cut a rectangular hole in drywall and you don't have a powered drywall cutout tool such as a rotozip, or you have a situation where a cutout tool might not work well, such as a piece of drywall that needs multiple holes for various boxes, like this one here for power and plumbing, simply measure the locations of the holes and mark them on the drywall. Score the front side of the drywall and cut an X from corner to corner with a drywall saw. Then you can easily punch in the triangles of drywall and cut the paper backing, leaving a perfect rectangle. You probably will want to cut the holes slightly large since it is pretty easy to be off by a little and you want to avoid the dusty mess of cutting and scraping to get the hole in the drywall to align with the box. Check out our YouTube channel for more DIY tips and tricks.